Guys. Okay, so my friend, her name is Laura. Not to leak names, but like, give me this sticky, slime-ish thingy. Okay. She gave it to me to fix. Like, guys. I have this, which I'm going to fix in another video. Okay, so I don't know what I'm going to try to put in here, but well, let's figure something out. And I think I'm going to try to put lotion. Okay, let me get some lotion. Okay, guys, we're going to use my Everclean. I'm sorry. I have to sacrifice you, my child. Okay. Oh, chat. Oh, thank you. Thank you for coming out, Everdean. Or Evereden. Whatever the heck. Okay, it's in. I love how it smells. It smells so good. Okay, I'm mixing it now. I hope it'll fix it, and if it doesn't, then I don't know what will, because, like, I lucky don't know what to put in this. Okay, wait, it actually, like, kind of feels better. Please do not stick my ass. Wait, I just, like, fixed it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna put it, I got more, and I'm gonna put it in. Wait, this is actually helping so much. It's making it feel so good. I might have to do a part 2 because I can't make these shorts too long. Okay, guys. It's still, like, kind of sticky, but I low-key, like, fixed it. It's sticking to my desk. Okay, I fixed this one. Now I have to fix the other one, which will be in another video. I want to put this in a squishy. I'm going to ask Laura, my friend, if I can put it in a squishy. She won it as a prize, but, like, low-key. I kind of want to put this in a squishy because it feels so good. Like, imagine this was a squishy, okay? Like, that would be so good. Okay, well, it's stuck in my hands. I have slime hands. Don't worry, guys. I just get that off. Stick in between my fingers. Okay, guys. Let's add one more pump. Actually, it doesn't really need it. Honestly, this feels so good. What was that face? It feels so good. Okay, bye, guys. Make sure to watch the other video, fixing me these